Okay guys, I literally never wear hats, but happy Saturday. We are heading out to run errands and go pick up our paint. I'm actually painting my office this weekend and I'm so excited about it. And I know that this is like a home reno series, but the first episode isn't very reno related. It's just like painting and then our renovation plans. I'm gonna walk you guys through the house and like our renovation plans afterwards, but we've stopped to get gas. Matt's over there. But I'm really excited to start this new series on my channel. If you guys know and you've seen the videos, you know my office is like the ugliest bluish gray color. It is awful, and it just reflects super badly off of my lens, like through my lens. So we're painting it. I've got our paint color here. We went with melting icicles for the house, or most of it. Heading to Home Depot to get some paint, get some painting supplies from Matt's parents' house, and it's gonna be so much fun. Hot today, honestly. So weird. I literally never wear a hat, but I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of here, including the stuff in the closet because we obviously have to paint in there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, take everything out of here, and then we'll get started with painting. Cares, but if you're curious what paint we got the Marquee in melting icicles stuff because we're gonna take the ugly curtain rods off. And then we just got like new switches and stuff because ours are pretty yellow, and then some painters take like, look at the color difference on this, you guys. Oh my god. Coffee and a kombucha. Derek is calling you. We took the closet door off and I kind of love it, and I kind of want to get like one of these and then put it in here and like keep it like clean, or make it like a reading nook. I don't know. The first layer of paint for the most part is done. Paint all over me. You can already tell how much brighter it is. I just have this part of the wall to do near the window. We're just waiting for the putty to dry, and then in the little closet area we're just waiting for that putty to dry, and then we'll paint it. But everything else has been painted, first coat. Alrighty guys, second coat is done. Can you guys already tell a big difference in the lighting? Because I can. But it is currently, I don't even know, but I'm so sweating. Painting is a workout. It's 8. I still have to go for my run, so I'm gonna go do that. Yay, it's done. My mom also just texted me to say that she got us one of those like $10 clothing racks I showed you guys, so I'm just gonna stick that in the closet for now. We're gonna paint the closet tomorrow. But the second coat is done. It looks so good in here, and then we'll put everything back tomorrow, obviously. But day one is a wrap. I'm gonna go drink a beer now and chill, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. It's all painted. We're just cleaning up a little, and then we'll move everything back in. But it's all done. Look how good it looks. The only thing is we'll have to take out this down the line and then repaint the ceiling, because you can kind of tell where the track was for the closet originally. And we got some paint on the carpets. And then we also changed all of the plug thingies. I don't know what they're called, but they look so good now. Guys, it's the next day. It's Monday now. I feel like I didn't vlog much yesterday, honestly, but we were just like putting everything back in here and it was just like chaotic. But I'll show you guys the room again after. And then before I end this video, I want to kind of walk you guys through the house and like our renovation plans. I cannot remember if I did this when we first moved, so bear with me if I did, but I always have new subscribers anyways. But I wanted to show you something my mom got me. I got my mom to pick up one of these clothing racks from IKEA because she was out there. These things are $11 and I figured that I could put it in here for now with like some of my new clothes or clothes that like I'm gonna do hauls with, and it'll just kind of look nice in the background because, oh, are you trying to steal the spotlight for this video? Where Stella is gonna be my filming corner now. I used to have her dog bed in there, but I moved it over here. And as much as I loved the double desk, you guys, it just took up too much room in this office. Like this office isn't that big. There you go. You love your new bed location. It was just taking up way too much room, honestly. So we're just gonna do the one side for now. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this together and then show you guys what it looks like with like a few clothes on it. I'm so excited. Vlog and realizing how short it is, and I'm so sorry, you guys. I thought it was longer, but before I end the video, I wanted to take you guys kind of like through the house and show you guys kind of like our renovation plans and like put some photos on the screen and stuff, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of like what future episodes of like our little home reno series we'll have to offer. So my office is pretty much done. As you guys can see now, I can't get over how much better the lighting is. The only thing is, I'm trying to decide whether I want to keep this empty or put like a little like lounger chair in here. I put a picture on here of what I'm thinking of on Pinterest, but just like a little reading nook. I'm showing you guys, but I ended up putting my pin board that was in my office up in here. I just thought it kind of looked nice. But the whole house is black and white with splashes of wood, like modern farmhouse. So I'll put some pictures on the screen of what I want the bathrooms to look like. They'll probably all look like a little similar. Mine is obviously just like the bigger one. That's what's gonna happen in here. Next thing to tackle is the bedroom, which once again the lighting is just very subpar in here. So we're gonna paint our bedroom next the same color we did my office, and it's pretty decorated how we want it. We do need to get a new duvet. You guys know we have like a whitish grayish print one, but it actually has some stains from Stella on it, so we do need to get a new one. This is just kind of like our backup comforter, but I want to get like a gray one or something. But we definitely need to paint in here. I just like, I'm not a fan of the color. There's just like a lot going on. And my plan for this spot of our bedroom is to have like a portrait wall with a bunch of pictures that our friend Sarah, who's a photographer, took of us, because I've always wanted to have one. Like, and then our spare room right now, or our second spare room, is just kind of like storage, but this will obviously be a guest room, so we'll have like a queen size bed down the line in here, or maybe like a sofa couch or something, and then we'll paint in here as well. But for now it just kind of serves as like storage, which is actually really nice. Go downstairs. Okay, and down here, painting once again, but the paint's not too bad here. It's just like a cream color, so it's not like super important that we do it right away. But we are going to get a new couch. This is going to go in the basement and be Matt's gaming couch. We'll get a big L shape, and then we're going to paint the fireplace grate or spray paint it matte black, just to kind of go with the more the vibe of the house. Probably switch out the tile. Regard how messy it is in here, but this is our dark kitchen. And we need to figure out what we're doing in here. We're definitely going to completely just gut it and redo it with IKEA cabinets. I really want to see if we can knock this wall down if it's not a support beam. For here, we're going to add an extra section of cabinets or two. And then in this corner, we're thinking about covering this up like as a wall, because if you guys look, like, it's great storage, but it's just like super awkward sizing. So we're thinking about completely like sealing this wall off and making it a walk-in pantry. it would just give us a lot more room, and the coffee cart would just move somewhere else. Like we maybe have like a little nook here. Stairs we're planning on painting, and we're obviously planning on ripping out most of the carpet downstairs. So I'll put a picture on the screen of what we want the stairs to look like as well, just kind of black and white, like I said, very modern. And then this will be all like vinyl, hopefully. And then we are going to rip out the entry closet and make it like a little closet nook. A lot of pictures, but hopefully that helps you kind of picture what we want to do with it. And then obviously just redo this bathroom, but this is the most up-to-date one, so we're not going to do it anytime soon.